CES.com, and we're here with Sensory. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what Sensory does?
Well, Sensory does a lot of things, primarily command control type speech recognition products. We also do the text-to-speech applications and the video lip syncing that we'll have our own 8-bit microcontroller used in the handheld devices that are used in the smart toys, used in telephony applications, used back to other DS. And then the PC stuff that we're doing is the animation and that kind of thing.
Could you show us one of these toys?
I can tell you about them. They're kind of in a. I don't have any demoable things about these toys. These particular toys are done by a company called Girltech. The password phone. They're all basically any kid wants to be able to lock their siblings out of their stuff. Password phone, they have to first be able to say your password to initialize it, and once you've done that, then you can name dial your friends that you've loaded into there. So the dialing button, and it says say the name of the friend you'd like to dial your password. Attempts to get into your case while you're away, it'll prompt back. The first time you come back, it'll say you had 3 intruders. But it's items that get to personalize the girls' objects, and they don't keep everybody else out.
Do you have to train the software to recognize?
It is speaker dependent, which means that it is going to be in particular products anyway. It's your voice that you want to unlock it, so you're going to train it with just 2 statings. Then you're going to train each of the in the case of the phone, your friends' names, because you want to customize that. So you're going to say the name twice when it's loaded in, and then it'll prompt you to say the name, and then you'll enter in the number on the keypad, and it'll store that.
What sort of technology are you using for the actual recognition?
A lot of technologies. Primarily, we're doing speaker independent, speaker dependent, speech verification, of course the speech synthesis for all the prompts and whatnot. Several continuous listening types of technologies so that you can do things hands-free as opposed to needing to push a button. Lots of stuff.
Okay, and where does this company hope to go? What other products are in development?
Well, there's a lot of things that are in development. Of course, we're probably doing, as far as a breakdown of what our products are, about a third telephony, about a third automotive, and then about a third into all of the smart toys that are out on the market now, like all of the robotic dogs that were coming out with speech recognition in them. The Me and My Shadow, and the Super Poochie, and Rocket the Wonder Dog. Sensory's technology was in all of those.
Okay. How much is this product, and it's available right now?
It is available right now, and in fact, it's speech recognition for under $20. They sell for both of these. I think the phone sells for $29.95, and the journal is $19.95. They actually have some products out on the market that are also Girltech using password verification that are actually selling for $17.99. So it's very affordable.
Okay. Can you show us this here?
A little bit about Marge, sure. What Marge is, on what I've done here, we created basically our own little demo of it. I just typed out a script of the kind of things that I wanted her to say, and added a few markups in the script of smile here and that kind of thing. It's also got a random animator that's going that has the eye blinks and kind of the head movements and that kind of thing. It's actually, if you watch it and you can actually hear it, it's actually lip syncing to the text, and it's actually, you can make out, and it's rather accurate. In addition, the voice that you're hearing is all text to speech, so it's a computer generated speech as opposed to a WAV file, which you could also do with this tool. You could use a WAV file and be using voice talent or whatnot.
Okay. And where is this going? Is this software that someone can buy, or is it part of another product?
Yeah, currently it is still it hasn't been productized in that sense. It's not ready to be out in the market in that respect. We are doing internal developments for companies that request it. Eventually it will be productized. It will get out on the market, but currently.
In what form?
I envision that it will be in some sort of a development system so that you can start creating, web avatars and applications like that for anywhere where you're going to use digital animation, essentially.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time.
Certainly.